Hi everyone, this is Lady T with GrafXQuest.com. I'm going to show you today the junk journal that I made using the fairy kit that I have on GrafXQuest.com. I added some embellishments of my own, which of course that's what you do with a junk journal. You add pieces of your own. So I'm going to go through this particular junk journal using the fairy kit that I have for sale on the website. And also, this is the book that I am taking to the Local Motion Art Fair that's coming up here in September. And then if it doesn't sell at the art fair, I'm going to be putting it on the website for sale. So you'll see it more in depth as we go through here. Okay, so this is the outside and this comes in the kit. We've got our cute little fairy. It's been embellished with some glitter. So if you can see the glitter on the wings. We also have a gold embellishment frame, kind of like an old vintage frame. I put it in a hard book cover. We've got a pretty ribbon on the back side with it embellished, and then another one on the back side where it says the end. We have a very pretty ribbon that we're closing it with, and then a accent of a tassel which is attached to a bookmark on the inside. So this particular one closes with a ribbon, and so all you have to do is just untie it to open it. And inside I put a pretty little embellished ribbon here. I left this side open so you can personalize it however you like. In here I used vintage linen paper and printed the fairy images. This image comes in the kit. It has 4 signatures. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this one had 4 signatures. And we have a lot of, in the kit, there's pockets. And these cards came in the kit as well. And this is a cute little corner tuck pocket. And another tuck pocket pieces. These pieces I dyed with a phosphorus ink. And again, we have some really pretty paper. This is, using this paper, this is actually like a tissue paper, and what you do with this is you crumple it many times and uncrumple it, and then you iron it after you dye it. And so I used the phosphorus paint on that. Got a cute little butterfly here, and we've got a staple here. This page is included in the fairy kit, and again I used a vintage paper, a vintage linen paper. This paper is over 20 years old. And it's a very nice linen paper. It actually has a watermark in it. If you were to replace that paper today, it's about $80 a ream, so it's very nice paper. So I wanted to include a lot of paper in this so that you can write quite a bit. There's a lot of pockets and a lot of cards in here. Tons of cards, and then these cards and this pocket comes in the kit. This particular pocket is a little paper bag pocket, so it opens up like this, and there's more tags inside. These tags also come inside the kit. And these pages come inside the kit. Here's some more dyed paper. I also made this so that this whole book can lie flat. So as you're writing, it's nice. There's some little fairy wings in here, some cardstock, and there's all different types of paper in here. And then here is our little bookmark with our tassel, and it says, "I am fairly cute." So that's our nice little accent on the outside of the book. Got another little tuck pocket, some more cards. So you can use the kit to make your own junk journal however you like. This is just how I put mine together. There's a pocket here. Some more cards. I put pretty little pieces of vellum over these pictures. So these are loose pieces in here. I thought they were pretty over the top of the pictures. And then there's more pockets with more cards. This one has a lot of pages. Lots and lots of pages to write. You can use it for a diary. You can use it for a planner. It can be used for lists. It can be used for scrapbooking and putting your favorite photos. It can be used as a secret diary, a journal, a dream journal. There's all kinds of things you can use it for. It has tons and tons of adorable little cards with fairies on it. As a matter of fact, this fairy that I created for the kit, she's in the kit, I actually used maple leaves for her wings. So all different types of fairies in here, from vintage to new. And I stuck with kind of a cream and pink and light green and blue colors. Kind of a soft pastel feel. There's that cute little fairy again. Again, a nice little pocket. And some more of the vellum over the top of the adorable little fairy illustrations. Lots of illustrations. And a final pocket with a lot more cards inside. Tons and tons of cards. I have no fingernails because I chew them. I've been doing that since I was a kid, so it's hard for me to pull things out of the pockets, but there's lots and lots of little cards for inside here. So, oh, and then there's also some more embellishment here. But there's lots of room on the back of each of the cards so that you can actually write. So that's the journal, and we hope that you enjoyed looking at the fairy journal. And again, you can join us on GrafXQuest.com. That's where you can get the kit that's got all the fairy pieces. And we love you. Thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.